Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Dominique Martin, a licensed therapist, and today we're going to talk about developing and maintaining a culture within your relationship. This is absolutely essential to healthy relationships. My goal by the end of this video is to help you understand how to establish and maintain a healthy relationship culture. So, if you're ready to start taking the steps to create the relationship you want, confirm it by tapping that like button and subscribing to this channel. All right, let's unpack it. So, what do we mean by relationship culture? It is the shared values, beliefs, and practices that define your relationship. So it's really about creating a unique identity as a couple. And this involves establishing your core values, beliefs, traditions, and routines. Because when you understand your relationship culture, you establish a foundation for a strong and meaningful connection. So, with that said, let's get into some ways to identify and develop a healthy relationship culture. So, to develop a healthy relationship culture, start by identifying your core values and beliefs as a couple. And you can do that by asking yourselves questions like, what do we value most in our relationship? And so, some examples of values are trust, communication, or family. Also, asking yourself, what beliefs guides our decisions? And some examples of beliefs are we believe that it is important for us to have open communication. And also, discussing these openly can really help deepen your understanding and strengthen your bond. So, next, let's talk about creating traditions and rituals, which are a great way to establish and maintain your relationship culture. So, your traditions or rituals can be daily, weekly, or seasonal activities that are meaningful to you both. So, some examples include weekly date nights or monthly check ins to discuss your relationship culture, or maybe annual trips or special celebrations for milestones. Again, these are just examples, and it's really about what feels right for you as a couple. And what's important is once you establish your traditions or rituals, that you be consistent because rituals help reinforce your connection and create shared memories, making your relationship unique and memorable. So, another good way to maintain your culture is through structure and routine. So, structure and routine also plays a major role in healthy relationship cultures because having predictable and consistent routines can provide a sense of stability. So, for instance, you might have a morning routine where you share breakfast together and discuss your day ahead, or time throughout the day where you can call or text each other, or a sit down dinner together in the evening. Your structure and routine creates a rhythm in your relationship that really supports connection. Ultimately, your relationship culture is what gives your partnership its strengths, meanings, and uniqueness. And it's really about creating a safe space where both partners can feel valued and understood, which creates a connection. So, if you take the time to nurture this culture, your relationship may thrive. Thank you so much for joining me on this video today. If you're going to start taking the steps to create a healthier culture in your relationship, comment below. What's one thing you'll do to nurture a healthier culture in your relationship? What are some traditions or values that you cherish in your relationship? As always, stay motivated, and I'll see you on the next video.